Delta Team. Recently, Spartan 24601. Jean Valjean, your leader, has gone missing. Because of this incident, Terry has been promoted to leader, and Ted to second in command. To regain numbers that you have lost, this is your new rookie, Kappa.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, let me see what spring is like.
Now on to your mission.
Jupiter.
Recently, as you know, the Arbiter has been staying with us, but it's time for him to head back home. It is your job to protect the Arbiter while we take him home. Mitchell, it is your job to fly the Arbiter's cruiser.
Fill my heart
My
with
time to
song
shine.
and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for.
Are you the ones to take me? Yes, sir. Then let's get aboard. Thank you for taking me home. No problem, Arbiter. You're better than those other elites, that's for sure. Tell me, how did you end up joining us? I met a Spartan, John 117. You met the chief? Yes, that is correct. So, you guys are elite, right? That is correct. What is elite pussy like? Excuse me? You said, what is elite pussy like? Mitchell, what's going on? We're being attacked, sir. That heretic, the Arbiter, is aboard that ship. Destroy it. Yes, Lord Zangeek. Well, what the hell do we do? We might be in luck, but there's another ship coming in. I followed you all this way, Zangeek. You are not getting away. Fire! Yes, Lord Travelers. Who the hell is firing on us? Distracted. They're fighting each other now. We'll get out of here as quick as we can. Well, you made it out of there. I hope everything from here on in will be good for you. Yes. Thank you, Terry. Good luck with everything. You too, Arbiter. Ready to get out of here, rookie? Yep.